Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time to be here, thank you so much for clicking this video, and to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for the love and the support. So if you are new to my channel, my name is Penninah the Grace. You are welcome in the home of grace. In this channel, I share my life journey as a housemaid. So kindly press on that red button that says subscribe, click on the bell so that next time when I'll be uploading another video, you will get notified. So guys, last time I posted a video about Khalid. Khalid was sending off, or let me say he was gifting Sarah with a gift. He gifted Sarah with a gift of a wedding expenses. And when I posted that video, there were some comments down there in the comment section, like maybe he was looking for views. And right now I have another video. I want you to watch it till the end, and I will leave the link in the description box. Okay, so go and watch the full video and let me know what you think, because some of you are saying like this man is just looking for views, and this man sometimes is not an Arab, and that's why he behaves the way he behaves. So guys, I want you to watch this video, and then from this video, make sure you go to his channel and watch the full video and let me know what you think.
I'm happy. Thank you so much.
We are at our home in Dubai, and we have had an amazing human being who's been part of our family for the last 5 years, and that is Leila, and she is from Mindanao in the Philippines. And I asked her if she's sending back balak bayan boxes to her family, and she said yes, and she showed me the boxes. So we're gonna give her a little surprise. We're doing a video on the balak bayan boxes. You're sending balak bayan boxes?
Yeah.
Do you have them? Can we show them to the people? What are you gonna put in these boxes?
Like food, shoes, clothes for my kids.
For your kids?
Yes.
Okay, so we just want to let you know that we're gonna pay for these balak bayan boxes to be sent back this year. Okay, we're gonna pay for them. All right. Okay. So your kids can get all their gifts and all that stuff. And we have one more thing I want to give you. We want you to take your balak bayan boxes to your kids. Okay? Okay? Good crap.
This Christmas gift.
Yeah? You like it? No problem.
You.
Alright? So, but you have to take the boxes there. So the boxes are there, you're there also.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You deserve it.
I'm happy. Thank you so much.
On the 26th, we travel with Leila to Mindanao. Let's go! Love you. So we're all going.
Thank you.
Mabuhay. Let's go. All right, we are good to go. We have our 3 balak bayan boxes heading to
Mindanao, Philippines.
Mindanao, Philippines. So we are getting everything wrapped up really nice and tight to make sure it's protected, because these balak bayan boxes regularly go on ships, as we know, but we're taking them with us on the plane, not cargo. So make sure they're nice and tight, nice and wrapped, snug, so they get there nice and safe, inshallah. Balak bayan boxes are on the flight, alhamdulillah. So now we go through security, get on the plane, see you in Manila. We have just reached Manila. The balak bayan boxes are safe, they're sound, they're ready to go. And we are here for how long?
4 hours. And 4 hours. 3.
3 hours layover here in Manila before we head to Mindanao. And we're excited. We're almost there. The balak bayan box journey is almost home.
My husband, sir.
Good morning, sir. How are you? You good? You doctor? How are you? You good? Good to see you. How are you? Leila lives with us. Nice to meet you.
Thank you so much.
It's my house, sir.
This is beautiful. Thank you. Ayos na. Did she know that Mama was coming?
No, no.
Thank you. Salamat.
Dito rin na yan. Much love and God bless.
Thank you so much, guys. Take care. We'll see you next time, inshallah. Salamat po. Take care of Mama, huh? Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you so much, sir. Take care.